Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is Wednesday, April 21st. The time is around 1 a.m. GMT. Today we are going to take a look at the chart of the Aussie dollars. This is a 45 minutes chart. We can see right here that the pair ended this 5 waves, and this 5 waves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the red ended C leg, so that means the rally is corrective, right? Because it's part of the C and also part of the X, right? So with this label here, you know that this is a corrective rally, and we are proposing that corrective rally has ended and then now starting to reverse to the downside. We can see so far the pullback has been in 3 swings so far. If we can get another boost on the downside, one more leg, then that should make it into a 5 waves down from this peak. And then as long as we stay below 0.7816 here, we can continue to see for the downside. Now by itself here, it does not necessarily, I mean, if this is really bearish, this is going to be red in color, but this is only turning down in black, so we don't have a short-term bearish sequence, so to speak. Okay, so Aussie dollars at this point is really in the shorter cycle is still kind of sideways overall. Let's take a look here to get an idea of the bigger picture. This is the 4-hour chart. Now we can see since we topped out in February 25th, let's take a look at a couple of things that we can observe in the shorter, in the bigger degree. Number one, from the February 25th, this is only what looks like a 3 swing to me, right? Looks like a 3 swing to me in the form of an ABC. Okay, you can see right here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ending A. This is the P. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 C. So it's an ABC. It does not even reach the 100% over here. So it's very hard to, if you want to label this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then the 3 is I mean the whole entire 5 waves is so short. If that's the case, it's not even reaching equal leg. So I think this is best to be counted as a corrective structure. As a result, a 3 swing like this. Now because it is a 3 swing, that gives you a clue that in the larger degree in the right side is is higher, right? It's bullish, because if this is bearish, it would have been an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the downside. Okay, but since it's a 3 swing, then the right side remains bullish. So eventually what that means is it is going to break the high again at some point later in the down the road. But then as of now, as long as we stay below this February 25th, this rally that we see, the 5 ways rally here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is the same in this red degree here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your 2. Not sure why I couldn't copy it. Let me see one more time, and then if I still cannot do it, then maybe I will. Okay, this is your 2, this is your 1, and this is your 3, 4, 5, right? This is 3, 4, 5, and according to the 1 hour count, this is ending C in blue, right? So that means we are doing some sort of a flat here, ABC expanded flat. Okay, and then this is ending the X. So this is a corrective structure if that's the case, and if that's the case, this could be your W here, right? So we got a 3 swing from this peak ending W, and then a flat structure finish X, and then possibly turning down. Now of course, this leg lower, the bearish view is only going to be sort of confirmed after it breaks below that previous low here. Until then, this could in fact be a new bullish cycle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 may be ending with 1 here, and then we will just simply getting, you know, we will can simply just, this can be your entire pullback of the 5 waves and then go up again, right? Remember the right side based on this still remains bullish. Now we are calling for another leg lower for now, possibility of what we call a double correction in the Aussie dollars. The reason is because of the other pairs right now. If you take a look at let's say the dollar index, you can also take a look at the euro dollar as well, same thing. If you take a look at the dollar index on the daily, okay, you can see right here this move up from this low looks to be in a 5 waves as diagonal. So what that means is, as long as dollar index stays above here, we cannot rule out one more push higher. Now if this is going to happen in the dollar index, that will be US dollar strength. If this happens, now that US dollar strength can cause Aussie dollars to break down again to do a double correction. So Aussie dollar by itself not necessarily have to do that push lower, but the dollar index is giving a possibility for that, because it looks like a 5 waves up from the low here. So at this point, unless we break below this low, which negates that few of 5 waves, then at this point we cannot rule out one more push higher in favor of the US dollars right now. And if that happens, then the Australian dollars can start to reverse, and because of US dollar strength, right? And then the reversal might have already happened right now. It's already going down. So for now, as long as we stay below this one, 0.7815, we could see Australian dollars to continue to go down and possibly do a double from February 25th in the form of WXY. Okay, but overall, remember, overall it's only 3 swings or 3 waves from here, so overall still remains bullish, even if it's going to be doing a double correction. Alright, so if you do want to check our service and get regular updates on Forex, commodities, indices, or other things, please feel free to check our service. We have 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description of the video. So see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.